In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a round robin calendar. So from the calendar settings, you'll click create calendar. And at this point, we're going to start or select the round robin booking. So it'll be the same calendar configuration which you saw for the unassigned calendar, but for this one, we're going to have a little bit of a configuration change. So with the new calendar that I'm going to create for the round robin, I do see here that I have the same setting, which is to change the name or add the name, add a description, calendar URL, and then appointment title. Now, you'll notice that um, we're now missing the sync option for Google or Outlook Calendar, and we have this additional option that says appointment distribution. So for round robin, I will now have an option to assign multiple user from this calendar. So I will now have an option once I select all of those users, I will have an option to optimize for availability or optimize for equal distribution. So meaning this is going to be the basic round robin wherein admin will get the first appointment and then the next one would be for John and the next one would be for Lana team. So for optimize for availability, this is where I can set up a priority. Let's say I wanted admin demo to get the most appointments of them all. So I'll just put this as high priority and I want John Curtis to the get, let's say for example, one appointment per day. So I'm going to put John as low priority. And from here, you'll have an option as well to select if you want that appointment or if this user want to connect it with Zoom or Google Meet, meaning if they have already connected the Google account or the Zoom account on their profile settings, they will have an option to select Google Meet, and then that will automatically send their Google Meet link to the client from the invitation. So right now, I'm going to put that under the custom. And then once I'm done with that, same thing, I will go back to the availability and configure the times that I wanted to put for that calendar, the times that I wanted to be available. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go under the confirmation, maybe select a form in here, and then check this option if I wanted to leave it tick or if I wanted to give them a reschedule or cancellation link, let the calendar auto confirm my appointment, or maybe change the settings for notification type. So you have acknowledgement email, and then maybe allow Google Calendar to send invite or update email to attendees. So note that this will only work if the profile of that user is connected to his Google account, which we're going to tackle more on the different guided tours for profile settings. Um, Same thing, you're going to have the additional notes section in here, and then Facebook Pixel ID, and then custom code for custom CSS if you wanted to change the look of the calendar, and as well the form submission setting. You can redirect them to a different landing page or just stick with the thank you message, which you can modify as well. Once you're done with that, click on complete. It'll be listed in here under calendars. Now, once you're ready to embed it, maybe share the link to the other clients that you have or send it via SMS, then you can click these three dots, and from here you can get the code, you can get the link that you can share to your customers, or maybe deactivate the calendar or even add them to a group. If you're not using the calendar anymore, you can delete it as well. And then you'll have an option to search the calendar from here. If you have a bunch of calendars and you don't want to scroll up and down and find that calendar, just use the search bar. And then you'll have an option to filter it as well based on the status, based on the group, and based on the calendar type. Now, with the groups, I just wanted to show you this real quick again. If I added, let's say for example, I added John Calendar and video test to that group, I will be able to get that calendar group link by copy scheduling link. And then maybe John would like to share that to his clients. Then all of those calendars added to that group will be listed in here. But right now, it's only going to be the John calendar wherein the clients can click and select the time and date. From here, you're going to see their calendar to select the date and the time, and then continue. And it's going to be the same thing wherein it's going to connect or it's going to collect basic information such as first name, last name, phone, email, and additional information. And that's it. That's how you can create your round robin calendar. Thank you. Bye.